If you're tired of grating cheese and slicing vegetables by hand, the Geedel Rotary cheese grater can make food prep much easier. It comes with 3 interchangeable blades, so you can prepare different ingredients with one compact tool. For cheese, simply place it inside and turn the handle to quickly create shredded cheese for pizza, pasta, tacos, and more. You can also use the appropriate blade for vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and potatoes, creating more consistent slices with less effort. And because it's completely manual, there's no electricity or complicated setup required. When you're finished, the removable parts make cleaning simple and convenient. So, if you want to save time, reduce repetitive prep work, and keep your kitchen more organized, the Geedel Rotary Grater is definitely worth checking out. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability.